Are you ready for more detached chain stitch? Today on the 3D Lily Pad Pond Stitch Along, we are going to add these tall grasses around our cattails. For this detached chain stitch, or lazy daisy stitch, you will want 4 strands of your medium green thread. We're going to bring our needle up at the base of our line where we want that little tall grass. Gently tug so we feel that knot nice and flush with the back of the fabric. Hold our thread towards the top of our line there, and then bring our needle back down into the fabric right next to where we came up. We're going to gently tug so we have a nice open loop on the front of our fabric. Now bring your needle up inside that loop at the top of your line and gently tug so your loop is flush with the fabric. Next, you're going to make a short little stitch right on the outer side of that line there at the top to hold it in place.